हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नर्सिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। लेकिन उससे पहले हम शुरुआत करते हैं मोटिवेशनल स्पीच से। खुद को इतना मजबूत बना ले, हर मुश्किल का हल निकाल ले, रुकना नहीं किसी भी हाल में, बस अपनी तकदीर बना ले। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है ऑक्सीजन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द रिकमेंडेड फ्लो रेट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन वाया नेजल कैनुला। ए 1 to 4 लीटर पर मिनट, बी 1 to 6 लीटर पर मिनट, सी 4 to 6 लीटर पर मिनट, डी 6 to 8 लीटर पर मिनट। राइट आंसर बी 1 to 6 लीटर पर मिनट। डिटेल, nasal cannula prongs is used at flow rates of 1 to 6 liter per minute to achieve 24 to 44% FiO2. O2 concentrations of 24% at 1 liter per minute, 28% at 2 liter per minute, 32% 3 liter per minute, 36% 4 liter per minute, 40% at 5 liter per minute, and 44% at 6 liter per minute can be achieved. Flow rates more than 4 liter per minute may cause irritation and drying of nasal and pharyngeal mucosa and pain in frontal sinuses. Then next question, you are connecting a nasal cannula to a patient who requires O2. You are setting the O2 flow to 5 liter per minute. How much FiO2 fraction of O2 concentration will be delivered to the patient? A 24%, B 28%, C 36%, D 40%. Right answer D 40%. Details, UV increase by 1 liter per minute equates to 4% increase in FiO2 starting from 24%. Easy rule of thumb for calculating of FiO2. Then next question, rate of oxygen administration through nasal catheter. A 1 to 2 liter, B 0.5 to 1 liter, C 2 to 4 liter, D 4 to 6 liter. Right answer C 2 to 4 liter. Details, nasal cannula typically delivers oxygen at a rate of 1 to 6 liters per minute, resulting in an FiO2 fraction of inspired oxygen of 24% to 44%. The FiO2 increases by approximately 4% for each liter of oxygen per minute. Flow rates exceeding 6 liter per minute are generally not recommended for standard nasal cannulas due to the potential for drying out the nasal mucosa and causing discomfort. Then next question 4. For a COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease patient in intensive care unit, following is preferred device for oxygen supplementation. A nasal cannula, B medium concentration mask, C Venturi mask, D oxygen tent. Right answer C Venturi mask. Details, for a COPD patient in the ICU, high flow nasal cannula HFNC or non-invasive ventilation, particularly bilevel positive airway pressure BiPAP, are often prepared for oxygen supplementation and respiratory support. Nasal cannulas and simple mask can be used for lower oxygen requirements or in situations where HFNC or NIV are not readily available. Venturi mask may also be used for controlled oxygen delivery, especially in patients with hypercapnia. Next question 5. Poor oxygenation of the blood ordinarily will affect the pulse rate and cause it to become A. Bounding, B. Faster than normal, C. Irregular, D. Slower than normal. Right answer B. Faster than normal. Details: hypoxia will always increase respiratory as well as cardiac drive, so during hypoxic conditions, respiratory rate or pattern earliest indicators and pulse rate increased as a compensatory mechanism. Then हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।